Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from DreamHost billing refunds to your payment method, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from DreamHost billing refunds to your payment method, start by logging into your DreamHost account. Navigate to the Billing and Payments section in the dashboard. Once there, select Manage Account to access your billing details. Look for the option labeled Recent Charges to view your billing history. Identify the refund that you want to withdraw. Click on the corresponding row to reveal more details about the refund. Next, locate the Withdraw Refund button on the Refund Details page. Click this button to initiate the withdrawal process. You may be prompted to select your preferred payment method. Choose the method you wish to use for the refund. If required, enter any necessary payment information. Review the withdrawal details to ensure everything is correct. Once verified, confirm the transaction by clicking the Submit button. You should see a confirmation message that your withdrawal request has been received. Check your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. Keep in mind that processing times can vary based on your payment method. Return to the Billing and Payments section if you wish to monitor the status of your refund. If any issues arise during the process, reach out to DreamHost customer support for assistance. Following these steps will help you successfully withdraw your billing refund to your payment method. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.